Hi there and welcome back. I'm just here with a quick flip through of the two journals that we've been working on over the last few weeks, the Foxglove forest journals. There's a digital kit available in my Etsy shop. I also do a print and post version, and there's freebies on my Patreon. All the links can be found down below. So we did do one of them on screen and I did the other off screen. They've both got material covers. I've done it on top of like an A4 envelope, and then I've put wallpaper on the inside. I've sewn around them, popped this lace, and they both got this pink ribbon tie. I'm not going to open everything. I'm just going to flip up because you know we did do a lot on camera. So this is the digital kit that I've used. Got some nice gridded paper there. There should be something on every single page, even if it's just, you know, a bit of something. Little tab there. This paper and this paper is from the freebie. This pulls out, nice big writing spot there. Got a pocket here and a pocket here. Got lots of Tim Holtz ephemera in the pockets and original tea cards. I haven't actually made any journal cards. It's all bits that I'd got laying about. Got a little tuck there. Some nice pink. Is that avocado paper? That's freebie digital. Little tuck there. A layaway tag with a little pocket there. That's a Tim Holtz photo. Got a ruffle here, which is the same material as the cover. Some lovely ladies there. Little pocket here and a tuck up here. It's again a Tim Holtz piece. That's from the free digital. Got a pocket here, and then I've put a little pocket at the back. Another Tim Holtz bit. This flips down for writing space. Two little pockets here with little bits of Tim Holtz bits in there. That's from the freebie. Pocket here. I've just put two 6x6 papers in there so you can make something with them. A little library pocket there with a Tim Holtz library card in there. Glassine bag. It's a Tim Holtz piece of ephemera. Another tuck up there. It's from the original kit. Little tuck. And then that's an old postcard. That's from the original kit. That's a William Morris postcard. Two pieces of Tim Holtz ephemera. And this one comes out like so. Ooh, that's come off. I will stick that down. Little pocket here. Another tuck. So plenty of writing space. And then we've got a pocket here and here. Can't remember how many pages there is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm not going to count that one, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so that 60 sides in each one. So I'll flip through the other, very similar, obviously just different, you know, different things. This is the one I did on camera. Yeah. We'll put them both on Etsy. Oh, there's a little pocket there. Got anything to just pop in there, just to show that it is a pocket. You can just pop that there, that's fine. The little library pocket. That's a flip down and a flip up, so you can write on those. Yeah. They're both Tim Holtz pieces. It's a Santa. Pocket there, another, both Tim Holtz bits. Top there. Again, we've got a frill with the material left over. It's a Tim Holtz piece. Some Tim Holtz vellum. Yep. So you'll have to check the pictures if you're interested in one of them, so you know which one you are purchasing. So I'll do them in 2 different listings. Yep. Little dangle here with a ribbon across there. Yep. I'll say that's why I don't like pulling things out. And then same again on that side. Flip down there. Just put a little row of faux postage stamps there. Little photo inside. And then with a pocket there. Oh, and that's a flip up. Not a flip up. It's a. Well, it's a tuck. There we go. Just put a postcard in there. So that is those. Thoroughly enjoyed making them. So we'll start off a new project next week. I'm going back to using the Botanical Notes kit because I've still got lots of it printed out, so I'm going to have a look what I can make with it. So I don't know if I'll do one big project or some little projects. We shall see when it comes around. So thank you very much. There is a playlist with all the videos and other videos from last year or the year before when I used the same kit. So until next time, bye for now.